So yes, now what we are at, I'm just going to say we're basically at 10 o'clock at night. There we go, Pearly. I'm actually trying to work, that's why the computer's there. So I'll make this a very quick video. So yeah, if you heard it, you've got the woman talking and the kid. Here we go. We've got the kid throwing a bit of a wobbler. And it's like 10 o'clock at night. This is above my bedroom. And this is in the, what I'm guessing is the tenant's, the main tenant's bedroom. I think that's relevant because generally if you're in a flat and you're in a bedroom, then below you is going to be a bedroom, and then below that person is going to be someone's bedroom. That's how the floor plans are. So she must realise that someone's bedroom is below her one, and yet we're listening to their noise at 10 o'clock at night. And then there was someone from over there, I think, in a different flat going, shut up. I don't know if that was picked up on the camera. But yes, quick video. 10 o'clock, still listening to them.